How's it going, everyone? This is Cap with AIO Miner, and today we'll be taking a look at how to mine Beam with AIO Miner. It's a very simple process, so let's get right into it. All right, this is literally all the information you'll need on how to start mining Beam. We make it super simple for you. Three things you'll need. You'll need a Beam wallet, of course, to have your payouts sent to. You'll need to grab your keys from the Sunpool page. Very easy process as well. And of course, you'll need AIO Miner. Now, there's three steps to mining. Actually, let's backtrack for a second. So why Beam? Well, if you haven't been keeping up, Beam has actually taken the top spot on every NVIDIA card as far as profitability goes. If you look for the past 7 days, I know some people like to do 24 hours, but you don't want to be exchanging the currency you're mining for Bitcoin that same day and then find a new coin the next day. It becomes very cumbersome. So I try to look at 7 days or a longer period to see what I should start direct mining. So of course, everybody's old favorite, old reliable ROI card 1060. We see here that Beam is at the very top. And you do want to direct mine. Just want to highlight it right here. You get about, wow, that's a huge difference if you're mining Beam on NiceHash. We'll take a look at 1660 Ti's, everybody's new ROI favorite, and once again, Beam's right at the top for you. And once again, a huge difference in profit. Wow. And then 1080 Ti's, surprisingly, Grin has been knocked down with one 1080 Ti. Beam is once again the most profitable, and you can see here it's about 40% more profitable than if you were mining it on NiceHash. So first thing, create a Beam wallet. We'll head to the Beam website, beam.mw. They have the link conveniently placed for you right here. We'll click that, and I'm on Windows, so it automatically takes me to the Windows page, and I'll click this to download. Once you're done downloading and installing, it should look something like this. All right, step number 2. We'll visit the Sunpool website to grab our keys. So what we'll do, we'll go to beam.sunpool.top, and we chose this pool because 0% fees on this pool. You can't get much better than that, and it's highly regarded by small miners and big farms alike. If you visit the Beam Discord, you'll see what I'm talking about. So you just go on here, you grab your public user key and your private user key. This is a way to check on how your miners are doing, and then your private key you'll use to initiate withdrawals to your wallet from the pool. One thing about Mimblewimble coins is there's no such thing as automatic payouts. You have to either manually do it, or if you have a little bit of experience with Python, then you can set up a payout script on a computer that's always on. But that's for another day. Today we'll be sticking to how to do it very easily. So we'll copy these, we'll go ahead and paste them here, or in some notepad for a later date. All right, and third, what we'll do is we'll configure settings in AIO Miner and press start. So if you just go to AIOminer.com, go ahead and download it. It's the all-in-one miner, is what AIO stands for. We make sure that you don't have to download anything for mining ever again. All right, so we have this open here. What we'll do is we'll go to pool settings, and we'll click this bar. Beam is right there at the top, so go ahead and click that. Now, of course, you can add a new pool if you'd like, but we have Sunpool stored in here for you automatically because there are no other pools that I know of, at least, where you have 0% fee. We'll go ahead and copy our public user key, paste it in here. We'll click Save. You get that confirmation that it's saved. We'll press OK, and boom. Press Exit. Go to your newly configured coin here, click that, and press Start. And that's it. You don't have to do anything else. You're already mining Beam. Very straightforward. If you have any other suggestions on videos like that you'd like to see, any tutorials, anything in the mining industry alike, please go ahead and drop a comment below. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. We have a lot of stuff in store for you in the near future. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you next time.